Yes, bafethu, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, I'll be short and simple, bafethu. Iqiniso bafethu libuhlungu bafethu. I know ngisupport iPirates, abantu abathandi ukuyizwa lento. But number 1, sidliwe ku-Nedbank Cup ne, and I've been saying Pirates without abo referee we don't exist. Number two, Dr. Khumalo was correct. Dr. Khumalo was respectful and correct. We failed to beat Sundowns. And manje siloko sitshela abantu ukuthi sizowina ileague. How can we win ileague sihluleke ukushaya umuntu odefender ileague? How? Besine advantage bafethu, singayifihli lento. Asibekene ebaleni besine advantage ahead of Sundowns. Even if ama match besizolingana sidlale 16 matches befanele ngabe sina 9 point or 6 point ahead of Sundowns. But abantu, they are not ready to hear that truth. Number 2, bafethu, if uthengisa umbokazi ungana replacement and number 1 league in uchazana, and league you have not won league for the past 13 years, uthola ichance yokuhlala ku position 1, uyenzani? Uthengisa ama play, uthengisa uSaleng, uthengisa umbokazi. As soon as uceda ukuyenza leyo nto mfethu, azange kuphele ne1 month, bheka ukuthi sekenzekile. Bheka ukuthi kuyenzekile. I-backline mfethu, umbokazi, who will replace umbokazi? Usibisi. Come on dog, come on. Into bengisho le ukuthi nokuthi Sibisa win defender of the season bafethu, it's not thing tool. Number 3, bafethu, all yonke lento le yenzeka ku Pirates akusi something ukuthi fanele sizishayele izandla ngayo bafethu. I-wrong lento eyenzekayo le ukuthi ama player afuna ukudlalela ukuya kubafana. Meanwhile sazi ukuthi ama player wethu awekho fit for ukuthi anga represent bafana. Bafethu, we should not allow something like that to happen. Abantu basitshela ukuthi manje Pirates is good enough. Pirates will win all the cups. Bheka ukuthi ureferee makangasincedi the whole 90 minutes kenzekani. Ubonile izolo ukuthi kenzekeni the whole 90 minutes. Ubonile ureferee akasincedanga. But if kuwonke lama cup esibuya ku previous abantu bathi siwawine ngelike, vele ureferee sincedile kuwonke lama cup. That's why siwawinile. Bheka ukuthi izolo kenzekeni. I've been saying this just ukuthi ama fans we Pirates anifuni ukuziqiniso. Sinama player ku squad se Pirates ne, but sine quantity, not equality, quantity. Sinama players ngabe sina 44 players are registered ku Pirates, but it's quantity, not quality. Player of the season ubani nomchita? Ubani nomchita le player of the season lo bebathi uzoba player of the season? Policies ngabatshela abantu ngathi mina the first 15 games or first 10 games ye season doesn't count. Abantu ba counter ukuthi ugcine njani. Your ending ukuthi ugcine njani into ebalekile. You can check isizini eSundowns lapho uRulani Mokwena azodlala 30 games aluza 1 matches. Asibani ngokuthi Sundowns was invincible the whole season. Baluzile the last match of the season badlala neCape Town City, they lost. Leyo nto yaraba yonke record yaKaRulani. It's football. Asibali ukuthi uqale njani, sibala ukuthi ugcine njani. I don't know ukuthi kenzekani ku Pirates. I know ukuthi imali izacala, but sometimes you have to win something before you can sell something. You can't just sell nje just like abo Pulukwane City, abo Jomo Cosmos. We are not that. We are bigger than those brands. We should be like Sundowns sibamba ama player bafethu. We should be able to hold ama player angahambi for 6 seasons. Ku Pirates ayenzeki. If ku Pirates umuntu akahambi for 6 seasons bafethu, you must know ukuthi lo umuntu inkomo. You must know Pirates Kaizer Chiefs, if they don't let player lihambe, that means inkomo lelo player. ama player ahlalayo ku Pirates na ku Chiefs for 6 season 5 season they don't contribute to nothing. Bheka ku Sundowns, Thapelo Morena, Themba Zwane, Siphelele Mkhulisi, Marcelo Allende, Hlompho Kekana, Thiani Mabunda, Dennis Onyango, the list goes on. Abathengisi nje naye umuntu ubabeka 60 million sebamthengisa uyahamba. No, they don't. Uba ne core team ezo last team for 5 years. Laba abanye you can sell them. Befanele ngabe ubathengisile abo Vincent Pule. Befanele hayi ukuthi wena uthengisa abombokazi ugcina abo Vincent Pule. Bafethu, it doesn't work like that. Bafethu, if a player you have ukuthi ulibhadale 300,000 libhadale libe core of the team. Yabo, you can't ukuthi wena nayo 30 million bakunika uyathengisa, nayo 2 million bakunika uyathengisa. Hayi bafethu, hayi siyazi ukuthi siyavuma okay abombokazi they have ukuthi babe ne financial plan, what future planning for future wara okay fine, but if we Sundowns can keep Marcelo Allende, can keep uThemba Zwane for 10 years, that's why ba win league bro. They banabantu abane experience ye league, banabantu abane experience ye league. They don't care about the cup competition. In a cup competition, anyone can win cup competition anywhere. Anyone can win cup competition anywhere. Go and check La Liga, Spain or whoopee. You can check everywhere. Anyone can win cup. Footy cup, league cup is not more important than in league itself. You can check. Europe top 5 badlalelani, abadlaleli kuba win ama cup, badlaleli win league ne Champions League. Big teams do that. Al Ahly ngamanidliwe I league cup mara not the league. Not I league bro. You can check bayenze ushintsho we coach eligini nge first 5 games. Yes, in first 5 games bese bamchange ku coach, but Pirates will have to wait full stadium.